In 2026, one theme dominates the financial landscape. Major technology companies are committing hundreds of billions to build the physical infrastructure of artificial intelligence. It is tempting to look at this massive build-out and assume the strategy is simple: find the companies leading the race and buy their stock. But the market does not reward investors for recognizing what everyone else already knows. Right now, the most exciting AI stocks are carrying mathematically punishing expectations. The stock market relies on forward-looking pricing. Share prices reflect years of anticipated future growth, meaning current financial strength is already calculated in. To find a winner, you must identify a company whose growth actually surpasses those sky-high predictions. The foundation of this entire build-out sits in Silicon Valley. NVIDIA supplies the highly specialized chips required to train and run complex artificial intelligence systems. Because they hold a dominant position in this hardware race, investor expectations are set so high that standard financial success is no longer sufficient. If NVIDIA reports massive earnings that simply miss the threshold of perfect anticipation, the stock can still face a heavy sell-off. This vulnerability makes NVIDIA the ultimate indicator for the overall health of the AI sector, but it requires careful timing rather than a blind buy. Above the hardware layer is the cloud computing and enterprise software ecosystem, heavily influenced by Microsoft. Amazon operates in the same tier. Through its cloud division, AWS, the company is rapidly expanding its global computing capacity. To sustain expansion, Microsoft and Amazon are pouring tens of billions into capital expenditures, buying NVIDIA chips and constructing vast data centers. Analysts are closely tracking whether enterprise adoption of AI tools will generate enough cloud revenue to recoup that spend. The valuations of both cloud giants depend on proving this massive upfront investment translates into sustainable long-term profit margins. Then there is the consumer layer, where Alphabet operates. Google currently holds a highly defensive position, billions of daily users feeding one of the world's largest digital advertising businesses. But artificial intelligence changes how users look for information. This directly threatens the mechanics of traditional search and introduces the risk that Google might disrupt its own primary revenue stream. Alphabet is tasked with a difficult dual mandate. They must defend their existing search monopoly while simultaneously trying to scale Google Cloud into a major growth engine. To satisfy the market, Alphabet has to prove that the integration of artificial intelligence will accelerate their business rather than dismantle their golden goose. Look across the entire 2026 landscape, and every major technology firm is attempting to answer the same underlying question. The market faces a historic test. Can extraordinary infrastructure spending genuinely produce extraordinary new profits? Because NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet make up a massive percentage of the total market, their ability to clear this hurdle dictates the trajectory of the entire stock market. A highly successful company producing world-class technology does not automatically make for a profitable stock purchase. These four companies demand your attention this year. But remember to do your own research, understand the risks, and recognize that watching a stock is not the same as buying it.